Hi, my name is Sanjeev Lalwani. I'm the Director of Business Development at Lynntech.
And then I'm Alex Moreland. I'm a mechanical engineering senior at Lynntech.
So we're here at West presenting our technology called Press. We come from Lynntech. Lynntech was started as a startup company by two postdocs that left Texas A&M University back in 1987. Now we've grown to about 100, 110 people. We do a lot of early stage technology development efforts for the Department of Defense. This is one of those projects that's been funded by NavAir from their SPIR program. And really, this focuses on decreasing the amount of time that it takes to maintain equipment and increase fleet readiness for NavAir. So I'll pass it on to Alex, who's going to give you a brief description of how the technology actually works.
Yeah, this is our press technology. It's essentially an embedded sensor that goes on a bolted joint in any sort of aircraft. It could be a helicopter. Our initial targeted application is the H-60 for the Navy. And the idea is that instead of having to disassemble surrounding components, putting an actual torque wrench on your bolted joint, the maintainer can come through and scan all of the joints with an RFID scanner and instantly get feedback as to what the status is of those joints. Does someone need to go in and do further maintenance on them, or is everything good for flight? Is everything mission ready?
So really think about it from the perspective of sustainment. How long does it take for the Navy to maintain its fleet of aircraft, make them ready for flight? This significantly cuts back on that time, but also assists with the problem that we're facing these days of skilled labor at the maintenance site. So this certainly simplifies the sustainment problem and the maintenance issues and helps get the fleet ready at a much faster rate. So we're trying to increase our contacts and to increase our connections. You know, this is platform agnostic. While we know that NavAir wants to fund this to maintain the Navy's fleet, really anything that uses washers on a regular basis and has bolted joints that need to be torqued at the right specifications could benefit from this. So we're trying to increase our collaboration with primes and other vendors to see if we could take this beyond just the Navy's fleet of aircraft.
What was the best part of participating in the Navy STP?
So the best part here was, you know, they really walk you through the process. They hold your hand. I see the familiar faces here. We've had plenty of interactions with primes, and that's really the best part of the STP program.